This is my first time to eat lobster. Okay? Pagka Pinas ako, mas madaming lobster sa Pinas. Pero, hindi ko na-try sa Pinas. Only shrimp lang. So, dito, na-try ko yung lobster. Masarap naman siya. Parang shrimp lang din yung lasa. Ang lako. Mukhang shrimp naman siya. Na malaki lang. Ang sarap. Need to eat the half one, baby lang. Okay? The half.
I cannot.
Why?
I have my lamb. I have my beef.
You don't like
I
lobster?
already eat half. What do you mean?
Okay, I will eat the lobster and you will eat the lamb and beef. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nauna kasi yung tinapay, guys. Kaya, nabusog na. Kanina, habang nag-aantay sa food, gutom na ako. Tapos, nung dumating yung una kasi yung bread, nilapang ko yung bread. Ngayon, dumating yung main course. Wala na, nabusog na. Ang tagal kasi dumating. Parang hinuhuli pa nila yung lobster. Parang hinuhuli pa yung lobster. Ang tagal, pero sulit naman. Masarap naman yung food. It's my first time to eat this one, but okay, I need to, need to eat all because we pay this one. Ha? Antok na. Nakakaantok ata itong lobster. Here.
I like the way you do it.
You have to see. When see lobster, I need to finish the lobster. Very big. Big. Nalipasan na ata ng gutom, guys, kaya wala yung daan na. Parang I feel busog na ako. Yun, ganito lang talaga pag seafoods. Nahihirapan kang yung laman lang. Mahirap yun. Bonggang.
Bombok.
Masarap. Bonggang libre ni Angkol. Thank you, Uncle.
What?
Thank you, baby love.
Uncle. The fuck?
It's the expression on
Fucking uncle.
celebration only in Philippines, uncle.
That's it. Yeah, when it's family. So you're my wife.
Uncle, like si auntie. Uy. Pahirap. Ito yung seafoods ba, mahirap. Ito yung ano, lalo na pag shrimp, crabs. Gusto ko himay na kasi mahirap na tanggalin sa shell. Parang nabubusog na ako. Kunti pa lang yung nakain ko. Dahil sa paghihimay ba. So good. I'm finished. Okay.
Good night. I'm full.
You need to eat this one. This one I will eat.
Yeah, I can have it. Yeah, but good to eat this one. Good, honey.
This one, eat.
Ah, yeah, good.
Next time, we don't need to eat the bread.
This time we're not coming here.
Huh? Tomorrow we need to come here and eat.
Plus 1,000.
Huh?
1,000.
Ito na?
Pay 600 something from home.
Hmm?
Plus this one, extra is 100. So there's 800 something. Plus the drinks. Plus the lobster. Pay extra for the first course.
It's 1,000. It's like 2 weeks budget at home, guys, grocery. It's okay. Sometimes only.
Yeah, that's why I say it's last time.
Tomorrow also.
So another place. Another place.
May Marie cakes ako. I have Marie cakes in the room. We'll just eat now. You need to come in the restaurant. See? You order and you will not eat. Better to eat Marie cakes. There's lamb, oh.
Drinking mojito.
Guys, bye. I need to continue it. I need to continue eating.